Welcome to the Opal shop. This here is a lovely piece of Boulder Opal. As you can see, the ruler set is in millimeters and the stone has been wetted to enhance the opal colour. As you can see, it's got lovely shades of green and blue. The white light is a reflection of the light I'm using. Apologies, but you can actually see the colours pop out quite nicely. This stone has been already pre-cut and pre-shaped. It's got a lovely application here. This is back. All the cut, side, the front again. Can be finished off and used as a knife handle if you'd like, or if you wish to cut the lovely bits and pieces of the most shining opal. You can use it as a pendant if you wish, if you can, or another piece of jewelry you can create out of that. And that's our Boulder Opal. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.